Happy Sunday! Here on the Old Taipa. So many shop to buy the food or have the pretty taste. You see? I like this, the sweet.
Yes, you like this one? Almond cookie.
Yeah,
it's
look
yummy.
like sweet, like you is sweet. It's free for YouTube channel.
Where you from?
Like this.
Where you from?
Philippines.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay Philippines! Hooray! Ayan. The Guapo in Philippines. So, here. Yeah.
Nakita ng pogi si Madam.
Oh, pogi ka
Hindi ba alam artista ako dito sa Old Taipa?
Akin na.
Wala.
Ayan, guys. Talaga, bibigyan ka ng marami. So, ano, where is the friend here? Kapag Pinoy, madali sila. Hindi ka talaga pagdadamutan. Tojo! Take two, I pay you. You see?
Biscuit. No. Thank you.
Sabi niya, vlogger. Cookies. Thank you. Later. Kailangan mayroon kang water.
Bonaco. Bonaqua.
Buna Aqua. Bon Aqua. Dahil ito po ay city ng mga more on tourist. So, marami ditong Pilipino. Taga rito lang. Nagba-vlog. Pilipino, mabuhay. So, ayan po. Ikot tayo dito. Kailangan, pag pumunta ka dito, may dala ka ng tubig. Kasi, you feel thirsty. You feel thirsty if you eat the free taste. Many kinds of food. Wow. Matcha Macau. What is Matcha Macau? Ice cream?
No. Tea.
You see? Ice cream tea. You see? Tea ice cream. Even this one is tea. All is tea. Why? In Macau, more tea.
All Chinese.
Yeah, all Chinese. Ito po ang Old Taipa Village. Ayan, ang mga more on dito ay Portuguese. Ito po ay baluarte ng Portuguese, guys. Mga nakatira dito ay Portuguese. Wow! It's my favorite color. Yellow. Basta yellow siya. El Guacho. Baluarte ito ng Portuguese, kaya ang mga nandito ay more on Portuguese nakatira. Ayan. Oh, may music. Belly Guff. Ito po ay pinakaanuhan mga business place nila. Ayan o. Mga eskinita. Kahit saan ka umikot dito. Ayan. Ayan. O. Ganyan lang po. Pero tao lang ang dumadaan dyan. Like this. No. The car, no entry. Here is renovation. Renovation. O ganyan dito pag nag-renovation, need ng cover. Kasi for safety. This is the shop. O kahit na nasa sulok siya, may mga ayan. Ayan guys, ito na ang mga Portuguese. Taberna. Old type pa tavern na. Ayan. Ayan. Kung gusto hanap ng Portuguese, dito ka lang magpunta. Oh. Ayan. Marami dito. Tojo, this is OTT, right? Ah, yeah, this is OTT. Old Taipa Taverna. So that's why doon kami dumaan sa likod. Diyan po nagtatrabaho yung dati na friend ni Tojo, na naging friend ko na din until now is my friend in YouTube, Facebook. She is Moy Moy. She's from Indonesian but know how to talk Tagalog because she worked in OTT. So many Philippine work there. So and then she's interested to talk with Philippine language. That's why. And this is the McDonald's in Old Taipa. Not expected na makakarating ako dito, but together of my friend, that's why here the Old Taipa, yeah, Old Taipa with them, the two lady beautiful. See? Ayan. Hey, hello! Shout out! Welcome to YouTube channel. At turn around. Marami pong visitor. Hey. And this is the store of special egg tart. This one. Egg tart. The yummy egg tart. Okay. This. Egg tart. No. The egg tart. Yeah. And this. Okay. Akala nung iba ay tourist itong mga kasama ko. So, turista naman talaga kami. Kapag Sunday lang. Oh, ayan. With matching. Ayan, look back from saan kami galing. And then, this is my madam. My madam on Sunday. But she said, always madam, because you're free. From Madagascar. Ayan. Madam, can you please 1 second? 1 second. Then I go to hey. Ayan. Don't up, madam. Ayan. Old Taipa. As you see, the very kindness friend. Oh. Old Taipa, shortcut ito if you go to Galaxy. Many way to go to Galaxy. Because I'm here in Taipa already. Stay in Taipa. So, if you want to take many more nice video, go to Old Taipa. And why? Okay. Oh, yan. Kinukuhanan nila ng this is a real plants, guys. Real plants. It's not plastic. It's real like me. You see? It's real. Oh. Oh. So ayan, mga ano po to, parang Chinese, daming tourist. So take sila ng photo. Mauna tayo dito. Antayin natin sila doon sa unahan. Restaurant National Littorial Taipa. Restaurant, mamaya pa ang bukas niyan, panggabi. And ito ay Prangis Grill. Anong Prangis Grill? Prangis. Yeah, Pranggi. Inulit-ulit eh. Baka magkamali. Diba? Correction please. At tapos bangko na malapit. Kapag ka walang pangkain, withdraw lang dito. At ito naman ay shop din. I think restaurant to. Yeah. Restaurant. More restaurant here. Oh. So, nandun pa sila. Nag-take photo. Ayan. At tayo ay dito sa may Azucena. This the before I want to read Azucena. That's why it's Azucena. Maybe this one is spelling na Portuguese, I think. Why? Because according to my is Azucena. Ganyan ba talaga ang ano ng Azucena? Azucena. I think. Oh, you know, Azucena. Oh. See? Acucina. Oh. Oh. So, dito na tayo. At ito na po ang highway. Tapos ayan ang escalator going to another way. At ito naman ang shed, waiting shed ng Macau Old Taipa. So, bye-bye! Thank you for watching and thank you for support always, YT family, YT friend, YT supporters, and especially to all my members, and shout out sa lahat ng mga nagla-live, kay MBTV, Ma'am Anging Pe, at kay Papa Bons na nag-iisang ikaw lang yan. I love you all.